Hello students, welcome to your next poem of your honeycomb book, Mystery of the Talking Fan by Maud Rubin, an American poet, Maud Rubin. Children, have you ever heard of a talking fan? Sorry, I haven't. Now this poem is a very interesting one with a unique title. What does the fan want to tell the people in the room? What is it saying and how does it able to speak out? That is all the poem about. Now children, whenever we do any poem, the first thing is we have to see what is the direct meaning of that poem, what has been described. Second, number two is what is the poet trying to convey, what is his main message through those lines. And then we see which poetic device the poet has used. Now firstly, over here of this poem, the direct meaning or the direct description is that of a ceiling fan, a very familiar object around us, a fan, a ceiling fan, which in today's time is an essential part of our existence. That fan had a problem and it got solved. The electrician came and oiled it and the noise got stopped. Fine. So that is the direct meaning. Now what could be its symbolic meaning? Why has the poet written such a simple poem? What the actual meaning is that the sound of a fan is being compared to the human chatter. We all are surrounded by different suggestions, positive, negative, gossips, human chatter of all different kinds. Now we on our own have to solve or take things or solve our problems in our own positive way. So, but the poet wants to say that in the end our problems, our mysteries or our the problems of life can get solved if we try, right? Now the poetic device in this poem has been used is personification. The whole poem is a personification as the poet mentions a non-living thing, the ceiling fan, as something that has life. She says that the fan talks, runs, communicates. So this phrase, the title, the talking fan in itself is a personification, right? Now children, let's read the poem or line wise, right? Here it goes. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. The summary of the poem goes like this. Once upon a time, the poet Maud Rubin had an electrical fan. It might have been old as it wasn't properly oiled. Now due to that, the electrical fan made mysterious electric noises. The poet, who might have been young at that time, thought that those noises meant that the electric fan was in a way trying to convey something, in a way trying to talk about something, which is why she has referred to it as a talking fan in her poem. She writes that the talking fan's chatter was electrical, which indicates that there was something stuck in the motor which made those noises issued from the machine. The poet thought those noises to be mysterious and was trying to find out what the fan meant to say. However, she couldn't do so, which is why she says that she hopes that the noises didn't matter. She hopes for such a thing because she regrets not being able to solve the mystery of the talking fan. The poet says that one day someone oiled the circular moving motor, maybe an electrician came so that the machine would work noiselessly. Ever since then, no noise had been produced by the mysterious talking fan, which ended or spoiled its mystery before it was complete. It then worked as noiselessly as stagnant or still water.